There's the 2017 with factory headlights. We're going to change those out. That's always been a sore spot on the JK, is the headlights are really quite horrible actually. I just did a recent 12-hour trip up to northern BC, and it's winter. Everything's like gray and brown outside. I had such a hard time seeing, especially driving down the twisty mountainside. It's a little unnerving, so we're going to change them out for some aftermarket inexpensive projectors and see how they fare. These are the JK lights I picked up from Amazon. Be Sure 7-inch LED headlights. So I'm sure there's probably 100 different companies doing the same, selling the same style of light. They're supposed to be DOT approved, SA approved. Look okay. They'll match with the black grille and stuff. Fairly shallow on the back. Pretty thick heat sinks on the back. They come with an extension pigtail as well. And I've heard a lot of comments that does not necessarily fit the factory, so I might have to add some zip ties to hold them together. We'll see when I get out there though. So I'm going to take the front grille off. Now it's just a matter of taking out those body panel clips around the perimeter and pulling it off just so I can gain access to that headlight surround. Now for the body panel clips, you just want to get under the top tab with a flathead screwdriver. You really don't want to pop them all the way out of the sleeve, and then just get underneath the sleeve part, pop that out, and that's it. Once you have all those out from the perimeter, it should be just a press fit into the front grille. Just pull it out gently at the bottom so you don't snap the clips, and that assembly will drop down. Then you've got access to the headlights. The front retaining rings, they're just a T10. Let's take those. It's just a 3 on each side. Take those off, and you should have access to the actual bulb itself in behind there. Okay, there's actually 4, not 3. So let's get that. Take the ring off. And there's your factory bulb. And get to the plug. Just pop that lock clip back. And you should be able to take that, unplug that from the back of the bulb. Just unlock that red tab and just press tab there, and it'll release it from the bulb. orientation on these. Large projectors at the bottom, TOT at the top, and you see, looks like there may be some vent holes at the top, so you want to have those towards the top. Now the problem with the aftermarket bulbs, not necessarily the bulbs themselves, but with the pigtail harness that comes with it, is the factory bulb replacement harness doesn't go deep enough for the tab in order to lock it. And that's where people need to run a tie strap around the harness itself, just to keep them tight. Once you have that harness tied, here I've gone through the wires. It's really the only place you can go. Don't pull it so tight though that you're crushing the wires. You just want to keep it snug to the factory harness. And that's it. There's one replacement on. I got the ring back on in behind the plastic. I didn't want to take the plastic off quite yet. I don't know why they didn't, like with this model, it's got the blackout appearance package, right? The front grille, the tires, some of the other items around the Jeep. Why they didn't just black out the headlight rings too. I'll probably come back and do that in spring after it warms up, peel these off and clean them up and black those out too, so it's entirely black. But get the rest of it going and see how the finished product is. Now you just have to reassemble. Pop the bottom of the grill back in. Pop the body panel clips back in, and good to go. Now when you're putting the body panel clips back in, make sure they're together like that. And all you have to do is pop the bottom sleeve into the hole and it pushed out. And that's it for all of them. Okay, there they are installed. And yeah, definitely they are the cleanest part of the truck right now. Take it to the car wash. It's on. You can see that. It's on. See how it is with the highlights, high beams. Is that flickering? It's just the strobing, I think. Should be much better, hopefully. Well, there's with the lights, it just started snowing today, so timing was good. I'm getting those done. Okay, let's see how the high beams are. Maybe that was. I think I gotta. Okay, so there's the low beams. Nice. And the high beams. Wow. That is a big difference. Yeah, that's way better. Excellent. Good.